Imagine a world without cars. How would you get to work? How would your groceries get to the store? It's almost impossible to picture, right? For over a century, automotive innovation hasn't just been about getting from point A to point B. It has profoundly reshaped our global economy, our culture, and even our daily conversations. Let's explore the incredible, far-reaching impact of the automobile that goes way beyond the road. Before cars, the world moved at the speed of a horse. Life was local. Your world was often limited to how far you could travel in a day. Then, in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the first automobiles sputtered to life. These early, horseless carriages were a novelty for the wealthy, but they were the first shockwaves of a revolution. The transition from horse and buggy to mass-produced cars was rapid and dramatic, forever changing the landscape of our cities and our lives. The real game-changer was Henry Ford's Model T. It wasn't just a car, it was an idea. The idea that mobility shouldn't be a luxury. Ford's pioneering use of the assembly line was a stroke of genius. It drastically cut down the time and cost of building a car, making it affordable for the average American family. Suddenly, people weren't tied to the railroad lines or the city centers. They could live further from work, explore the country, and connect with relatives in a way that was previously unimaginable. This democratization of mobility unlocked a new era of personal freedom and created countless new industries from the ground up. The ripple effect was astonishing. Think about it. A car isn't just a car. To build one, you need steel for the frame, rubber for the tires, and glass for the windows. The explosion of automotive manufacturing created a massive, unprecedented demand for these materials. Entire industries boomed. Steel mills worked overtime, rubber plantations expanded, and glass factories flourished, all to feed the insatiable appetite of the automotive assembly lines. This created millions of jobs, not just in car factories, but throughout the entire supply chain, fundamentally restructuring national economies. And what good is a car without a road to drive on? The rise of the automobile spurred the largest infrastructure project in human history, the creation of national highway systems. These ribbons of asphalt connected cities, towns, and rural communities like never before. This led to the birth of suburbs, roadside diners, motels, and gas stations, entirely new ways of living and doing business. The car didn't just help us travel through the landscape, it completely redesigned the landscape itself. The economic impact didn't stop at national borders. Cars became a symbol of industrial power and a major export. This fueled global trade as countries vied to sell their vehicles on the international market. Brands like Toyota, Volkswagen, and Mercedes-Benz became household names worldwide, driving international competition and collaboration. The complex global supply chain we see today, where a single car might contain parts from dozens of different countries, is a direct legacy of this automotive-driven globalization. The car became a true engine of the global economy. From creating the modern suburb to fueling international trade, the automobile's influence is woven into the very fabric of our society. It has shaped where we live, how we work, and who we interact with. It's a story of innovation, economic power, and profound social change. So the next time you get in your car, take a moment to think about the incredible journey it represents. It's more than just a machine. It's a key that unlocked the modern world. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey through history interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies that shape our lives. See you in the next one.